Listen up, ladies. You've got a lot to worry about. But don't stress. We've got some game-changing girly hacks for the win. Passing period is perfect for a quick catch-up. I gotta make a locker pit stop. Can't forget my books for next period. And some extra caffeine couldn't hurt. Oh no! We've got a Coke explosion on our hands. Somebody help me! It's gonna totally ruin my outfit! I can't believe this. This day took a disappointing turn. But maybe I can change that. Out of order? That's just my luck. Yikes! I can't change out here. I can't just get naked here in the hall. Wait, I saw my friend do this once. I'll just do her little changing trick. First, pull one arm out of its hole. Grab the new shirt and slip both arms through the holes. Carefully pull your head through. Pull the shirt down over your torso, then put the old shirt over your head. And pull the rest of it off your arm. Boom! Pretty nifty, huh? I definitely have to wash that later. And just in time for class. Oh no, is he behind a door? Oh, thank goodness. This movie's nuts. I definitely forgot about the meeting. I gotta get ready. Yeah! Why am I still holding these? My hair is now my top priority. Well, this won't die. I'll just dry it while I text her back. I gotta have fresh breath. Hello? Ah! So much hair! Think I can use this Pringles can? Instead of throwing one of these away, turn it into something new. But you'll have to cut it in half first. Wrap it in colorful paper. We chose orange. Now glue 2 suction cups to it. Hot glue works best. And once it's dry, you're done! You're about to be a lifesaver, Mr. Can. Get ready for some hands-free styling, people. Too bad I didn't think of this earlier. No hair in my mouth. I kinda look like a model this way. Does my hair look fabulous or what? Oh, I better get a move on it. Oh yeah, I'm looking good today. But my eyebrows are having a moment. Just look at these hairy beasts. Aha! A little taming is in order. Oh, you've gotta be kidding me! I can't go out like this! And I don't have time to go to the salon. I'll just have to take things into my own hands. Come on, smooth! Smooth! Everything okay over there? Gah! This is the worst day of my life! What? Just look at these things! Oh, Bella, you're so dramatic. Did you know aloe plants can make gel? Here, try this. It'll work like a charm. The plant? But how? Put it on your brows. Come on! I'll try anything at this point. Just sweep your brow brush into the gel. Then brush it through your hair like this. It'll dry clear, don't worry. Don't forget to do both sides. That aloe gel really does wonders. Check out that major difference. You seriously saved the day, Betty. I'm never buying eyebrow gel again. Beautiful, Bella. Plant power is awesome. Whoever said pigtails are just for kids is seriously delusional. Why not take things up a notch? Hello, little buns. They won't stay. Mind if I fold over here? This laundry is taking up my whole day. These are yours, by the way. I just want these cute little buns. Is that too much to ask? Hey, these may just be the solution. Have some socks you don't care about? Take scissors and cut off the tips. Now, focusing just on the tube, roll it up just like this. Keep going all the way down. Now you have a little circle. Well, 2 little circles. Still want those buns, Betty? Pull your hair through and loop it around. Then keep rolling all the way up the hair. As you go, spread the hair a bit. That way you can't see the sock anymore. Wow, these look spectacular! You don't need these socks, right? Hey! I still need those for my feet! These recipes look amazing! Hi, Betty! I have a little surprise for you! Aw, you remembered my birthday! Let's see… Oh my gosh! You are the bestest friend in the whole world! Blue is so my color. I'm gonna wear this every day! And it fits like a glove! But these bra straps are an eyesore. I don't have the right bra for this. Yet! If your bra has removable straps, connect them together in the front. Then slide it over your head like a halter. Now you can't even see the straps. This top is seriously so gorgeous. Doesn't it look more elegant without bra straps? Wow! That top looks like it was made for you! All thanks to your great eye, Bella. And a little magic. I'd better change out my books. Yowza! My brows are misbehaving again! Come on, guys. Time for a quick pluck. I have some tweezers in here somewhere. Don't I? Don't tell me I left them at home! Ugh, of course I did. Wait, I have spare change in here. I'll just make my own pair of tweezers. It's actually working! The hair's coming right out. It may not be ideal, but it sure is handy. See ya later, bushy brows. It's looking better already. These things really saved the day. I'd better head to class. These girly hacks sure come in handy in a jam. Share this video with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to 123go's YouTube page so you never miss out on helpful tips like these.